In today's video, we're installing an STI wing and trunk on this STI that didn't come with the wing. So right now we're just taking off the covers, popping these covers off, going to take the harness off, and we got the new trunk over there with the wing. And basically we're just going to swap everything over. That one already has a camera. I believe Peter you already put the sticker on? The STI sticker on there?
Yeah.
We are going to have to put the new trunk open switch, or the little button on the bottom. We're going to have to be swapping over a couple things, and pretty much it. So let's get this thing going. Covers off, harness is out. Basically simple clips, goes all around. And now what are we doing?
Taking the 4 bolts out and taking the whole trunk off.
Dude, this is fucking tight, dude. Jesus.
You gotta pull it through.
Yeah, you gotta pull through the little thing, yeah. Can I hold it by the wing?
Yeah. I can't even see it.
There you go.
Oh. Can you put it in all the way?
Yeah, I'm just trying to make sure that grommet, grommet's good. We just gotta push those clips. Mine.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it in a sense, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all,
Alright guys, that is how you install a Subi wing on a Subaru with the trunk. We didn't have to drill any holes because the trunk came with the wing already. That's just how Peter bought it. That's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, subscribe, like the video if you liked the video for more content. and I'll see you guys later.